Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number of beds on Airbnb. So first, you may want to head over to airbnb.com and switch to your hosting account. Next, click on listings and select the specific listing that you want to change number of beds. In my case, I'm just going to edit this listing and I'm going to pick bed and breakfast, then proceed. So just follow the on-screen prompts, fill in all the details till you get to this page. And from here, you can easily change number of beds by clicking on the add button to add more beds or the minus button to reduce number of beds to your listing. You can proceed by setting up this listing just by following the on-screen prompts, or you can end here by clicking on save and exit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!